We used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment, then start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already...
Boss Richie, last din yung ugma. Last din yung ugma ni Boss Richie, bay. Oo. Sabi na bata pa ni. Sure juga, boss. Mawa lagi ka. Saan natin mga gimmick ini sa Manila, boss. Sabay kayo punta ha. Sabay routing. Christmas party. Walang maabot. Boss, good luck sa mga career ha. Bagong career sa kinabuhi. Padayon sa pagkamaayo, pagkamanggiatagon. O padayon sa pagiging pogi. Good luck. And God bless. See you around. Bye, boss. Good luck.
Yesterday's a treasure, today is here. Tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughters and tears.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Kumusta na ang team CMSU Surigao natin? I can see your faces, parang you're lonely tonight. Why? Because Bro Richie is leaving us. Well, you know, it's just part of our journey. And to Bro Richie, bro, thank you for your time. I know you gave it all to us. You were our pillar in our CMSU Surigao for the longest time. You helped Metrobank so much. You gave your skills, your time, your talent to Metrobank. You are the kind of person na you see to it that Metrobank is also in good hands to you, as we are in good hands to Metrobank. So in this crossroad, I wish you all the best, bro, on your retirement. Metrobank CMSU and Metrobank branch will not be the same without you, because you give so much energy. Ikaw yung nagpapabuhay ng dugo ng mga empleyado dyan, and we can count on you always. So that is why I wish you happiness, more time with your family, quality time, and enjoy your retirement, bro. 32 years is very long time that you spent serving Metrobank. So good luck, bro, and see you around.
Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything.
Hi, Bro Richie. So, congratulations sa pamanagin mo yung termino sa Metrobank. So, we miss your companionship, ating pagsamahan, labi na ang tagayan. Kulang ng team, bro. Anyway, congratulations and good luck, bro, sa imong next endeavor. Mga ka. So, see you around. So, magkita-kits lagi akong tapon. Bye-bye and good luck, Bro Richie.
Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you.
Richie, happy retirement. Thank you kayo sa iyong mga advice, and God bless you, sir, and enjoy your retirement. See you around, sir.
Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything.
Hello, Sir Richie. Salamat kay sa mga advices nimo niya. Unta tagan pa kag mapainom joke. Salamat kay nga kanang pag-adto na ko dira sa MSU Surigao kay wala gyud na OP kay tungod gina-look forward ti ka nga murag papa na gid dira sa Surigao. Salamat kay ila Ma'am Charmil, ila Sir Jan, ati Juby, og ni Sir Joseph nga allergic gyapon sa allergic gyapon sa mga seafoods.
Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be oceans away, but
Happy retirement, Sir Richie. Thank you for your guidance. Sa panahon nga na-sign ka sa Jensen, we wish you
Wishing you a retirement full of happiness and healthy retired life, Boss Richie.
Thank you, boss, for everything. I hope you enjoy your retirement. We love you!
farewell